So my name's Nicole Marie Lowe. I'm the plant engineer. I started at PacMoore in 2014. There's involvement with the operations team for needs for improvements or potential maintenance problems. And then from a sales perspective, if there's any new customers or new questions that they have. Some of the equipment type problems are if something's running or not running, if it's set up correctly, if we're having flow problems with a screener, or if we're having print problems, whether it's illegibility, if it's rubbing off, if it's not printing at all. You just don't know what you're going to get. You know, production could have run fantastic and then you're going to be able to improve it. Production could have run poorly and you really need it on the floor. PacMoore is not fully automated. There are plants out there that are completely automated and one person can run the whole facility. We still require the individual to be part of the process, and there are still some checks that you just cannot automate. One of my favorite things to do when you teach someone is to show them first, then you have them do it. And the best way is when after you've fixed the error, you recreate the error and delete what you did. And the look of panic on the individual is hysterical, but so critical, because you now have established that connection in their brain. Oh my gosh, the error's back, now I have to fix it. But now they're having to do it on their own. So their brain is remembering that, oh, it's really broken again, but now I have to do that repair. And then you have, physically remembering in your body, you're forcing that memory to be in a different way, rather than, oh yeah, she showed me how to do it, or she said this is how you do it, but actually physically fixing it creates a different connection. You can have a piece of equipment that is excellent and it will do the job, it functions, it's been designed correctly, and it will improve the process. But you need to have the operators buy in to make sure that that piece will work. If it's a fear of them losing their job, it's a fear of the unknown, it's difficult, it's new, it's challenging, it changes what they used to do, it takes the individual out of their comfort zone. So you have to make sure that you have a relationship, that you establish connections and talk to the operators so that they can be comfortable with this new piece and make it part of their normal process. Operators will often make a piece of equipment much better than you have ever expected if they feel included, if they feel involved.